got such pretty hair. Let me fix it for you.
Hi, Victoria.
Poopsie, what happened to you?
Oh no!
I need your outfit, please.
I got a better idea. I'll make you a brand new dress. This is my magic sewing machine.
Wow!
It can make any dress for you. Almost ready. Here's your blue dress.
Wow, so pretty. Can I have a white dress, please?
A white one? Okay. 1 second, Poopsie. Here's your white dress. I hope you like it.
Oh no, this is too white. Can I please have a pink one, please? Pink is my favorite color.
A pink dress. Last one for you.
Thank you.
A beautiful pink dress just for my Poopsie.
I love it, Victoria. Mwah, mwah.
She liked it. Be careful, Poopsie. Don't rip the dress.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks for watching this video.